Here we have a 2002 Dodge Caravan. It's a hard starter. Okay, Zach, try to start it. It just spins and spins. Oh, it finally started. Now we had spun it a lot before that to get there, so we're thinking there must be something going on with the fuel pressure, because that's usually what causes the pressure gauge here. And the way we hooked it up here, we got a, we teed into this line here where we disconnected from there, and we got fuel pressure over here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to fire this bad boy up, and we're going to see if the pressure holds. If it's going, it's supposed to be like 58 pounds plus or minus 5, and it's supposed to stay there, and it's not supposed to leak down. If it leaks down, it's probably going back past the check valve into the gasoline operator. He doesn't have to have safety glasses on because he's in the car.
I'm still going to dive in.
All right, we're going it back up before we can see the gauge. Okay, start it up and let's see what the pressure does. Go ahead and start. Come on. All right, now you got it running, right? See where the pressure. Looks like it's holding pretty good right now. But what the procedure that we saw earlier, they said it needs to hold that pressure for 40 minutes. And I am seeing some leakage.
Yep.
See it leaking down?
Yep.
It's not staying dead on the money. Now you're going to see a little bit of this on most of them. This particular one, it'll start up really easy if you start it right now, won't it? Start it right now. It does. Switch it off now. All right, now let's watch our pressure. Watch the pressure. See what it's doing? If you watch that pressure close, you'll see it going down. Now, if you let it sit long enough, and every bit of that pressure goes back into the tank, of course, it can be going through an injector too. But the fact that it starts and runs when it's smooth, when it finally does start, it's not skipping or cutting up or anything, so it's probably not going to be going through an injector. But you got some pressure loss there. I've seen this a lot on Jeeps that are about the same vintage, that hard start whenever they're hot, and that's typically fairly regular. That one's lost a little bit. It's not losing really fast, but it's losing faster than it should, and we'll check it again in a few.